Hi guys, we are here at PWC of Davao, and here currently this man is making the table for us, and on the right side there are the grilling station. Yes, what can you say to our grade 12 journey? Say, I'm gonna post this on YouTube. You're gonna see yourself. You followed me, right? You, what can you say? Hey, support my channel. Here guys, so this is the current situation here. Yeah. So I'll get you up for later events. Okay. Situation here at PWC. Currently, I am being slaughtered by all these people, and I feel so very overwhelmed. Look at those people. There's a lot of people. Naluto na lagi nito lang.
Ako na lagi na lagi sa kahoy.
Ayan.
Boss, tumayo boss. Kutsilyo boss. Pas maluto. Yo, kandag ko ba? Ano man sila dito? Diray sabi ko. Ganda kayo para makabahan nata.